Hi! Hello! How are you today? I'm so excited to read with you. Today, we're gonna read My Little Fox. Yay! Are you ready? Are you excited? Yeah? Okay, let's begin. My Little Fox. My little fox, you are getting big. Let's go outside to climb, jump, and dig. Out in the wild, I'll always be near. And I'll watch over you through your very first year. Little fox, play. On a wet spring. Oh, look at the frog. Little fox, run. In the summer sun. Ooh, wow, look at the sun and all the flowers. Little fox, hop. When autumn leaves drop. Little fox, go. Through the winter snow. Wow, look at all the snow. Ooh. My little fox, now you're nearly grown. It's time for you to explore alone. Just know that you can always find me back at the den beneath our tree. Yay, that was so much fun. We just read My Little Fox. Good job. Thank you so much for reading with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.